Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to disable Siri on your iPhone. So Siri can listen to everything we say whenever we activate the voice assistant. So if you want to explain about Siri and you will mention about Siri many times and avoid that Siri being active, you can just turn off the Siri for a while or for a moment. How to do that? You just need to open the setting, and right after that just scrolling down, and you just need to find the Siri and search over here. So you just need to go click it, and right after that on the top side there will be a listen for Siri. So you just need to go click it, and you just need to go click off, and then you just need to go back. The next thing you need to do is just turn off the press button for Siri. You just need to confirm that you want to turn off Siri. And you're done. Now whenever you say Siri or hello Siri or explain anything, mention about Siri, the Siri or your voice assistant on iPhone will not gonna active or respond you. So that is the way how to turn off Siri or disable Siri on your iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'd like to see you for the next tutorial.